In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store theme. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, and then select Themes. This is where you can view your current live theme and manage other themes connected to your store. If you are planning to update the look of your site, this is the main area you will be working in. Once you are on the Themes page, scroll down until you reach the Theme Library section. The theme library is important because it stores themes that are available in your account but are not currently live on your storefront. This lets you prepare and review a different design before making any changes visible to your customers. If you want to add a new theme, click Add Theme, then choose Visit Theme Store. This will take you to the Shopify theme store, where you can browse available themes for your shop. Take your time selecting the one that best fits your brand, layout, and product style. After you add the theme, it will appear in your theme library. When the new theme is in your library, click Customize. This is a very useful part of the process because it allows you to edit the theme before publishing it. You can adjust the layout, colors, sections, and other design settings while keeping your current live store unchanged. That means you can work safely in the background and make sure everything looks right before switching over. After you finish editing and you are ready to make the new theme live, go back to the theme library and find the theme you want to use. Click Publish. Shopify will then show a confirmation pop-up to make sure you are ready to replace your current live theme. In that pop-up window, click Publish again to confirm the change. As soon as you do that, the selected theme becomes your active store theme. Your storefront will now display the new design to visitors. A good tip here is to review your homepage, product pages, and navigation after publishing, just to make sure everything appears the way you expect. Even though the process is simple, a quick check can help you catch small design issues right away. That covers everything you need to know.